Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. You're all welcome over here. And thank you all my subscribers and my viewers, okay guys? I appreciate you guys very much. So guys, today we're going to make fried dumpling with cheese. I'm going to knead the dumpling, I'm going to put the cheese inside and fry it. So guys, I have 4 cups of flour in this. I'm going to add a little dash of salt, not too much. Just a little bit. Eyeball it. I'm going to add a spoonful of butter. It's hot here guys, so look, the butter is melting. I'm going to add 1 spoonful. Yeah, that's enough. And I put 2 tablespoons of baking powder inside already. And I have 2 cups of water. I'm not going to use everything. So guys, I'm going to wash my hands and start kneading. Okay guys? So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I'm going to mix in my butter in my flour first before I add the salt and the baking powder before I add any water to it. So I'm just going to combine everything together before I add water. Guys, see, I mix up the butter with the salt and the baking powder and the flour, and see how it looks guys. So now I'm gonna add water slowly. I'm gonna add the water slowly, not too much. And I'm just going to use my fingertip. Add a little bit more. And a little bit more again. I don't want to knead it too much because I want my dumpling to be fluffy and nice. So meanwhile it's resting, I'm gonna grate my cheese, and I'm gonna show you step by step how I do it. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Too much. Just to combine all these little ones together. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. Almost finished kneading, so I'm gonna put it down to rest for maybe 10 to 15 minutes Now I'm gonna grate my cheese and get it ready, okay? I'm gonna put this down to rest now. And I'll be right back. So stay tuned, guys. Get that towel and cover it. Okay guys, I'm cutting up my cheese to put in my dumpling, my fried dumpling. And you can use whatsoever cheese you want. If you are anywhere, you can use the cheese you love. That will be enough. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to continue cutting. Okay guys, so this will be my cheese I'm gonna use, and my pot is over here heating up, and my flour is resting. So in the next 12 minutes I'm gonna start frying. So I just put it on low for now until my flour is rest. So stay tuned guys and keep watching as I show you step by step how I make my fried dumpling with cheese. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start rolling up my dumplings. I'm not gonna make them too big. Get them ready. I'm gonna put my cheese inside and I'm gonna seal it up. And then I'm gonna roll it again, make sure, and I'm gonna put it over here. And they're gonna stay there and rest a little bit until I'm finished. I'm gonna make a couple, maybe I'm gonna fold the plate, and then I start, okay? I start frying. And you can use the whatsoever cheese you want. I'm just using this cheese because that's what I have in the house right now. So okay guys, this is the last one. So now I'm gonna start frying. gonna start frying just now, guys. I'm gonna put away all of these. Put away my towel. So I'm gonna start frying in a minute, guys. I'm gonna get my stove up a little bit more and wash my hands. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna start frying my dumplings. So I'm gonna. Which one was the first one? I'm gonna put the first one I make inside first. I'm gonna add it. I think the oil needs to be hot more. I'm gonna give it another minute. I think it needs to be hot more. Okay, so I'm gonna start in them now. It's good. I'm gonna crowd the pot that we want them to be fried. That's it. I don't want the pot to be too crowded. So guys, you can eat it. You can make this for your breakfast, and you can scramble egg, or you can fry egg, whatever you want. Ackee and saltfish. You can make callaloo and saltfish, cabbage and saltfish, whatever you want to eat it with. You can eat. But like today now is lunchtime, we're gonna eat it just like that. And we're gonna make some tin mackerel with for our lunch. So okay guys, the dumplings are coming out pretty fine. They're looking rosy and nice. Oh, the cheese is popping out of the stuff there. Guys, you can see the cheese coming out. And guys, why it's frosting like that, I put a little coconut oil in there, so that's why I'm making that. Let's keep it like that. Okay guys, so this is the two last one inside, and I'm gonna open one for you to see what it look like inside when I break it. So I'm gonna show it to you just now. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so this is our finished product of our fried dumpling with cheese inside. I'm gonna open one for you guys to see how it look like inside. So this is the cheese inside, guys. It's very hot, very hot. So this is the cheese in there. This one was running out, so as you can see, put it down. You can see the cheese inside. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and you can try this recipe. You can put more cheese. I just put one little cube of cheese inside. So guys, you can try it and let me know in the comment section if you try it. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Please tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in the next video, okay? And I'm shouting out Sherry from Montreal today. Okay, so Sherry, remember, I sent you your bully beef and rice, so don't make no comment about that one again. So see you guys in our next video. Ciao, bye bye.